My name is Andrea Monero, and I am CIO at Storeroom Logix. Storeroom Logix is a cloud-based inventory management solution, and right now we're probably best known for our VMI, which stands for Vendor Managed Inventory Solution. Our distributors print and manage thousands of VMI labels at their customer sites, and these labels contain things like customer part number and min and max level, and in our case, also a 2D code that's printed on the label that can easily be scanned to reorder using our mobile app named Phil. When we met with the Brady team, we were really thrilled to learn about their technology capabilities and what Brady had to offer. So first, with the availability of the SDK, which allowed our team to connect our two platforms within like a few hours, which is awesome. And the second is in the printers themselves. So both in the size and in the Bluetooth functionality. What we've done with this integration is literally the distributor that the VMI tech, driver, account manager, customer that's on site can pull up our app, find the customer, press the button, and boom, labels just print out. So that's a massive time saver for that end customer who's trying to print labels.
At Storeroom Logix, we're really focused on providing solutions to the problems that our distributors are faced with every day. At the request of one of our customers, we partnered with Brady to solve the issue of label printing. To this point, label printing has been something that's had to be done off-site, and it's a manual process, and you're hoping that nothing's changed by the time you actually get there. So through the integration of our Phil app with the Brady M211 and 511 printers, we've solved that problem and allowed distributors to print the labels on-site where they're actually being used and where they're actually needed. When that VMI tech, that person that's coming in to manage the product for the end customer, arrives on site, they're trying to get in and out as quickly as possible. So when they're coming in to put the product away initially, having a durable, crystal clear label is something that every distributor needs to provide a really good VMI service. They notice that a label's been smeared or torn, or it's just simply not there. The Brady M211 provides that portability to solve the problem on the spot. So once the labels are there, that's when Storeroom Logix really gets to work. The distributor's VMI techs are able to go in, simply point their phone at the labels and have those reorders created straight into their ERP system. Through the development of our Phil application and the partnership with Brady, we're able to provide that solution to our distributors so they can be efficient. They can go out and take care of their customers and service the customers the way that they're expected to.